Iron Maiden and Black Sabbath. These were actually some of the first bands I listened to. So they are the ones who, they are the ones who actually made me want to start a band. Like I used to watch videos of these guys. Back then we used to buy videotapes, VHS tapes and stuff like that, of these concerts and stuff. And I used to imitate the guitar playing on a tennis racket and stuff like that. And sometimes I used to go. I was so crazy about these bands that I used to bunk school. I used to tell my mom I'm not feeling well and stuff like that. She would go and I'd put these videotapes and I'd be like doing all the moves and everything. And it's these bands have pretty much been a staple in my life. They kind of connect with me like no other band has ever connected. And that's pretty much most of the influences for my band come from these three bands. And it's very possible that I would be a completely different person
If you
if
went
it
for
weren't for these
metal.
bands actually. And for a long time, there were a lot of other bands that also influenced me, like Metallica, Slayer, and Testament. And later on, it even went to Candlemass, King Diamond, Corona, Theater. It got more extreme.
Extreme.
And, yeah. But it was always bands which had a very traditional base. I like bands like that. I'm really not into a lot of the newer stuff.
like the old school metal.
Yeah, I like the old school stuff where there's a lot of melody, there's a lot of depth to the music. There's and it seems like it sounds like it's made by people who are just like you. That's where the connect comes in actually. Because music is simple. It's not too fancy. It's not that they're trying to impress you with fancy guitar solos or tons of round bass. Nothing.
Simple
It's just
music.
real music that basically talks about all the stuff that you go through on a day-to-day life. Some of it actually helps you escape day-to-day life also. It takes your mind away from a lot of things. And I like bands like that. And these are actually the bands that have stuck with me for a long time. Then I like a lot of progressive bands like Fates Warning and Rush and these kind of bands because they also have there's a lot of soul to the music. I like bands that have a lot of they have a lot of emotion in the music, because nowadays I listen to music and there's a lot of emotion missing. There's a lot of soul
emotions
missing from the music. So I prefer music that makes me feel something rather than listening to it just because it sounds technically good. And I don't really care how fast you can play or how impressive this is and that. If you can make me feel something, then I'll listen to you. And those are the bands that I prefer listening to. And it can be in anything. It can be metal, rock, it can be blues, it can be pretty much anything. As long as I feel something. But as far as metal's concerned, these are the bands that pretty much keep me going every day.
So that's Black Sabbath,
Black
Judas
Sabbath,
Priest,
Judas Priest, Iron Maiden.
Iron Maiden.
My holy trinity.
Yeah.